Doctors recommend passing kidney stones at home, especially if they are small enough to move through the kidneys, ureters, and bladder. If you find it difficult to pass kidney stones, consider these natural ways to dissolve kidney stones. 1. Phyllanthus niruri or Chanca Piedra. This herb disrupts kidney stone formation by preventing crystals from sticking together and changing their structure and composition. It's also used to break kidney stones. In fact, this herb's name means stone breaker. 2. Dandelion root. A 500 milligram dose of dandelion root taken twice a day could help dissolve kidney stones. 3. Basil. Combine a teaspoon of basil juice with raw honey and drink every day for 6 months to dissolve the stones. Before using natural ways to dissolve kidney stones, it is important to know the chemical nature of your kidney stone. Using the right remedy will greatly aid in eliminating the stones quickly from your body.